ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೆಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಹೋಗ ಏನೋ
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಕುಣಿಲಾರ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ನೆಲ ಡೊಂಕಂದ್ರಂತೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Going for different. We're going for a 0-1. Let's say go for it. Punjab bro. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಶುಭೋದಯ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಚಾನಲ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. If you are here for the first time, make sure to watch the video completely, and then if you end up liking it, 2 or 3 things that will encourage any video creator. Like if you like the video or found something useful, or did you just enjoy it, share the video with your family or friends if you think they like it, and then subscribe. I know I'm making that tone from past videos, but yeah, just bear with it. Okay, I tell this a lot of times, but then I'm trying out something new with this mount that I stuck to the windscreen. Let me put this footage actually, because learning is a learning curve basically. So if any distortion or angle is not proper, I'll hope to correct it in the next car vlog. Okay, today is a Saturday. I don't exactly know the date because last couple of weeks, I know audio will be very feeble. Last couple of weeks has been really hectic. If hectic is a very bad word in your dictionary, then how do I say it? Very busy. Yeah, so very busy. Lot of work, a lot of deadlines to cope up with. So you know what? After doing so much work for the last 3 weeks at least, was really busy. So I had actually planned this last Monday, like this week's Monday, that something to do to unwind this weekend for sure. Well, I was planning something else, but then plans changed because my friend is throwing her birthday lunch. So we're going there now. We're going to this place called Go Native, if I am not wrong. I don't know much about the place because I've never been there. So let's go. Come along with me, and then let's see how Go Native is, and let's meet all of my friends after a long time. For the first time, it feels long since I've met Harshit, because he stays near to me, like not very near, but compared to others he stays near to me. So we used to meet very often, but I don't know why this time we didn't. But to do that, we need to spend both money and time. Time we are ready, but money, let's see how much the petrol rate is. Guys, petrol is increasing at a very fast pace, guys. I don't know why. Okay guys, let's fuel up and I'll show you the bill. Okay guys, we are done with fueling up. 111 rupees. I don't know if you can see. 111 rupees per liter. Okay, let's not crib. Today is a fun day. Time to go to Bangalore. Petrol pump didn't have air for the tires, so another stop I guess for air. Okay guys, there's nothing much to show you the road. It's the straight Chikballapur Bangalore highway, nothing interesting, no scenic roads as such. So let's go, and then let's meet our friends, and then I'll start vlogging. I'm just too excited to see them, guys. It's been long, and We have to unwind today. If not, I'll go crazy. That much busy week, especially this week. Oh my god, it's not like one particular work. Lots of work and lots of deadlines. So let me go to Bangalore and then we'll catch up. Okay, guys?
One eternity later.
Homie,
Homie, what's
finally we meet after a long
Yeah.
time, homie.
up? How are you, homie?
Homie has changed the plans. Initially it was go native, but then it's where are we going now, homie?
I never changed the plans, first of all.
Okay.
Lalipur.
Okay, whatever. We are going to now. Also, they are
yet,
still not
yeah,
sure.
They're not sure.
We are in Mantri Mall.
Correct.
Where do you want to go, homie? If you want to choose,
Anything is fine, homie. You tell me.
you tell homie.
Let
Choose
them
one.
decide. It'll
Yeah,
be
that's the
better.
best.
Yeah.
We go, homie.
346 minutes later.
Manoj.
Hi, Anand. Hi. We finally have come to Asia Curry House. What are you eating, homie?
I just got the menu.
Huh?
I just got the menu.
Okay, see. What cuisine is this?
What is it? Sushi. Yeah. Japanese, Thai, and all that.
Fancy stuff.
Yeah, fancy. You will have everything.
Okay, some fancy thing. Let's see how it is. Don't Hindi la la. Okay, I know my audio is not loud, but let's see what they order. And Ashit is on the way. He's coming.
Naples ಬರಾಯ್ ಸೂಪ್ ಕುದ್ದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್
ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇವಾಗ ಚಿಕನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೆನೆಸಿ ಬಿಸಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ನೆನೆಸಿರೋದು ವಾಟರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಇಳಿಬಾರ್ದು
Naples ಬರಾಯ್ ಬೇಕಾ ನೀನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ He wants you to order that now.
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ನಮಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು
ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು
ಬಾಟಲ್ ಬೇಡ 100 rupees ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದುಡ್ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟು
ಅಲ್ಲೋ ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ವಾಟರ್ ಬೇಕು
See what
ಮನೋಜ್
is
ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ
I will order actually yeah we can try bao.
ಏನು ಅದು
ಏನೋ ಗುರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಬ್ರಾಕ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೋಮೋಸ್
That's the soup you asked for.
ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯಾ ಕುಡಿ ಕುಡಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್
ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ದೀಪ ಇದು ನಂಗೆ ಗುರು ಇದು ಏನು
ಇದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್
Smells good.
ನಿಜ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ
ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ಯಾ
ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಿದೆ ತಿನ್ನು.
ನೈಸಾ
Try it.
ಮನೋಜ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ
ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ರಸಂ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ
ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ರಸಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೂಡಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಪನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್
Mixed dim sum.
is the soup. Soup was actually good. It looks weird, I know, but it's actually good.
ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ
ತೋರ್ಸು ತೋರ್ಸು ನೀನು ತೋರ್ಸು
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಅದು ಒಂದು
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡು
ಮದುವೆ
ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ 45,000 ಮೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಲೇಪಲ್ ಮೈಕ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮೈಕ್
ಫೈನಲಿ
ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಓವರ್
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ
ಹೆಂಗೋ ನೀನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಹಂಗೆ
Much later.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ಸ್
ಫುಲ್
ಸ್ಪೇರ್ಸ್
ಫುಲ್
ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಯಾರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರೇ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರೇ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
ಹಾಂ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಗುರು ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೆಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು
ಹಾಂ ಹೋಗ ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ಯಾ ಗೋ ಓ ಇನ್ನೂ ಪಿನ್ಸೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ Deepa, spare or strike?
Strike.
Guru, spare or strike?
Please strike.
Spare or strike?
What is this?
Strike!
You missed it.
Guru, strike or spare? Oh, Deepa is ready with the ball.
She's heavy from now only.
which how many pounds ball is it?
It's
Deepa?
very heavy.
The heavier the better actually. It will go for longer distance.
You should be able to at least push it with momentum. Don't take such heavy ones. You should have mastered it.
Deepa, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಲ್? Come on, Deepa.
Hey, don't take it.
ನೋಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ನಿನ್ಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಭಯ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
Please strike. I'm scared. You're enjoying, that's all.
Good one. Good one. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, one pin. Spare. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you mean lucky balls, huh? You have lucky balls for strike and
Balls, but some people have.
Whoa, that is actually tough. Good one.
Yeah, it was tough. Harshit.
Arshit, most awaited.
Yeah.
11 pound ತಗೋಪ್ಪ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ, ಹಂಗೆ.
Basketball.
ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಸಿದ. ಓ ವಾವ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಮೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾನು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾವ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಏನೋ
ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಕುಣಿಲಾರ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ನೆಲ ಡೊಂಕಂದ್ರಂತೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪೇರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Lalija is leading.
Show that.
There, see. X is leading.
Spera. Strike or spera?
We're going for different. We're going for a 0-1. That's the aim.
Drainage.
Okay, guys, time to do a flop on this.
Happens. It's okay.
Second strike.
Second strike. Karthik Archery.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾದರೂ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Don't. Please.
Strike ಮಾಡು, strike. Come on, Lali. Abba. Good one, actually strike. Good one. Take heavy ball. Heavy ball itಕೊಂಡು if it on the line, it will stay on that line. Oh, only 2, I thought 3.
Go.
Not bad, 1.
Check out Kandiya.
Go for it, Punjab bro.
Come on, Manoj.
Good one. Me, I only won the bowling game. I only won. No.
Sure.
No. Deepa was the last one. Yeah, first, second. I got a strike, guys. Homie, how many strikes? 3 strikes. Mine is 3 strikes. My homie is 2 strikes and 1 spare. Can you homie? Nandu 3 strikes, homie. Illi nodu alla nanu. Nindu 2 strikes, 1 spare. homie ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾಯಿ ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಬಚಾವ್ ಆಗೋದು ಟ್ರೀಟಿಂದ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, abrupt ending as always, right back at the point where we started today morning. What a fun-filled day, what an active day, what a fun. It is just great to meet all of my friends after such a long time. So thanks once again for the view. If you watched till here, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your family and friends, and consider subscribing to the channel. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, always use a face mask, get yourself vaccinated when your chance comes,